welcome you all to the Governor's Medal Ceremony. I am Junior Under Officer Tanu Majumdar.
I am Sergeant Arjun.
And I am Company Sergeant Major Parikshit Sania from 20 Mega Battalion. On behalf of Major General Manjit Kumar, Additional Director General, National Cadet Corps, West Bengal and Sikkim Directorate, it's my singular honor and privilege to welcome all of you to the Governor's Medal Ceremony. We are grateful to the Honorable Governor for spending some time for this ceremony despite his busy schedule. Let me take this opportunity to say a few words about our Honorable Governor. The Honorable Governor Shri Jagdeep Dhankar is an eminent lawyer, having passed his LLB examination in the year 1978 to 1979 from the University of Rajasthan. He was elected in the 9th Lok Sabha from Jhunjhunu Parliamentary Constituency in the year 1989 and was the chairman of a parliamentary committee in 1990. He became a union minister in 1990 and was elected to the Rajasthan Legislative Assembly from Kishangarh constituency in Ajmer district during 1993 to 1998. He was a part of delegation as a deputy leader of a parliamentary group to the European Parliament while being a union minister. He is a life member of the Indian Law Institute, New Delhi, a member of the International Center, New Delhi, member of the Indian Council of Arbitration, member of the ICC Commission of Arbitration, and member of the ICC Court of Arbitration. He is an avid reader and has contributed extensively by articles on legal issues in newspapers and periodicals. A sports enthusiast, he has been the president of Rajasthan Olympic Association and Rajasthan Tennis Association. The Honorable Governor has assumed charge as the Governor of West Bengal on 30th July 2019. May I now request Major General Manjit Kumar, the Additional Director General, National Cadet Corps, West Bengal and Sikkim Directorate, to deliver his welcome address.
Honorable Governor of West Bengal, Shri Jagdeep Dhankar, the First Lady, Mrs. Dhankar, our proud award-winning NCC cadets, service officers, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, let me express our deep gratitude to the Honorable Governor for having agreed to preside over this ceremony and award medals and certificates to the meritorious cadets of our directorate. Ladies and gentlemen, we have 55 of these brilliant cadets amongst us, and I must mention that they are the 55 award winners out of almost a strength of 1 lakh. I think they deserve a big hand. Cheers to them. Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you all are aware, NCC is the largest uniformed organization in the world, and it plays a pivotal role in nurturing the qualities of leadership, discipline, and patriotism amongst the youth of our wonderful motherland. The noble values and ideals which they imbibe help them become better citizens as they grow up in life and give them a purpose. While these cadets become responsible citizens in their respective fields, the career they choose, a large number of them have grown to the highest levels and done proud to the country. The West Bengal and Sikkim Directorate has been quite active in the last 1 year. Despite the clouds of COVID pandemic, we have optimally utilized the digital media and conducted meaningful training online. And wherever it was necessary to assemble the cadets, we strictly adhere to the COVID protocols. In near future also, when we get back to normal life, I am sure we all will continue to follow the precautionary measures so that we all stay safe and healthy. At the national level also, a digital forum has been launched in December last year, which gives an opportunity to our cadets to showcase their talent, upload their views, and any other thing which they would like to share with the countrymen. This forum is being very well utilized and subscribed by our cadets also. In the last 1 year, certain important activities which our cadets have participated in and have performed very well include the recently conducted Republic Day celebrations in Delhi, glimpses of which would be available to you for viewing in the lawn outside. In the Republic Day celebration, ladies and gentlemen, we had 26 of our cadets who participated, and out of that, a good number, 16 of them were selected to march on the Rajpath, which is again a matter of pride for all of us. 7 out of those cadets are here with us today and would be available for interaction hereafter. The other events include Ek Bharat, Shresht Bharat webinars, Atmanirbhar Bharat awareness campaign, Kargil Vijay Divas, International Yoga Day, Cancer Awareness Day, Fit India campaign, New Education Policy Awareness Drive, Netaji Subhash 125th birth anniversary celebrations, Atulya Ganga Mission, which is another noble project which has been undertaken by the Veterans of Service Officers, the various blood donation camps, and several other social and community development activities. As a directorate, all our 6 groups and 54 units have been trying our best to inculcate good moral values and instill a sense of discipline in our cadets. Because they are the ones who are going to become useful members of the society and contribute towards progress and development of our nation. Now, before I request the Honorable Governor to bestow his blessings upon the award-winning cadets, may I once again thank the Honorable Governor for giving this opportunity to our dear cadets. I am sure they will cherish this day and the awards for the rest of their lives. I would also like to convey our sincere thanks to the Raj Bhavan officials for their contribution and support towards organizing this event. Jai Hind.
May I now request the Honorable Governor, Shri Jagdeep Dhankar, to give away the medals to the outstanding achievers amongst the NCC cadets of West Bengal. Junior Officer Arjit Saha, 50 Bengal Battalion, selected for REC Commission. Senior Officer Arjit Saha. Cadet Suraj Prasad Kumar, 10 Bengal Battalion, 1 bronze medal in the 50 meter open rifle category. Cadet Suraj Prasad Kumar. Senior Under Officer Josna Mukherjee, 5 Bengal Girls Battalion. Senior Under Officer Josna Mukherjee. Cadet Shravani Malapur, 5 Bengal Girls Battalion, 1 bronze medal in 3rd World Chess Boxing Championship. Cadet Shravani Malapur. Senior Under Officer Anshu Kumar, 50 Bengal Battalion, competed in breast cadet category in IGC RBC. Senior Under Officer Anshu Kumar.
India people to observe discipline. We are before youngsters. If you have difficulty, bear with the difficulty. Let us not set a bad example. We are before brilliant minds, young minds. They are symbol of patriotism, discipline and decorum. With folded hands, I make a prayer to all of you.
Cadet Gaurav Nath, 10 Bengal Battalion. He represented the West Bengal and Sikkim Directorate in RDC 2020. Cadet Gaurav Nath.
Senior Officer Rohibul Malik, 25 Bengal Battalion, has taken part in RTC 2020. Senior Under Officer Rohibul Malik. Senior Under Officer Shudipto Singha, 25 Bengal Battalion. She was the part of RTC 2020. Senior Under Officer Shudipto Singha. Senior Under Officer Pratyush Chaudhary, 45 Bengal Battalion. He received PG Commendation 2020 and was part of the RTC 2020. Senior Under Officer Pratyush Chaudhary. Senior Under Officer Shapuri Shamanto, 45 Bengal Battalion. She represented her directorate in TSC. Senior Under Officer Shapuri Shamanto. Senior Under Officer Manashi Das, 46 Bengal Battalion. She represented her directorate in Khalsa India. Senior Under Officer Manashi Das. Senior Under Officer Ramprasad Rui Das, 53 Bengal Battalion. He participated in RDC at Delhi. Senior Under Officer Ramprasad Rui Das. Cadet Monamika Bhunia, 55 Bengal Battalion. She participated in State Rural Games in Kabaddi. Cadet Monamika Bhunia. Cadet Nirmal Kumar Maji, 55 Bengal Battalion, participated in Swachh Bharat activities and games at school level. Cadet Nirmal Kumar Maji.
Senior Under Officer Sunenda Das, 3 Bengal Girls Battalion. Actively participated in all NCC activities. She has excelled in all the events. Senior Under Officer Sunenda Das. Senior Under Officer Pushpa Masko, 3 Bengal Girls Battalion. She has attended RDC and the PM rally in Jan 2021. Senior Under Officer Cadet Rajiv Sarkar, 6 Bengal Battalion. Attended RDC and PM rally in 2021. Cadet Rajiv Sarkar. Bengal Battalion. He qualified in the Inter-Battalion RDC Team 2019, Inter-Group RDC Team 2019. Senior Under Officer, Dr. Biswas. Senior Under Officer, Saurabh Dey, 14 Bengal Battalion. He represented West Bengal and Sikkim Directorate at the annual NCC Republic Day camp. Senior Under Officer, Saurabh Dey. Senior Under Officer, Nargis Mano, 48 Bengal Battalion. She was part of RDC Team 2020 at New Delhi. Senior Under Officer, Nandalal Shaw, 48 Bengal Battalion. He attended All India TSC and achieved first position in IGC TSC 2019. Senior Under Officer, Nandalal Shaw. Senior Under Officer, Satyajit Mazumdar, 48 Bengal Battalion. A disciplined and sincere cadet with multifarious talents. Senior Under Officer, Satyajit Mazumdar.
Senior Under Officer Keshav Sharma, 33 Bengal Battalion, IM Attachment in December 20 and RTC 2020. Senior Under Officer Keshav Sharma. Senior Under Officer Srijay Chandra Das, 20 Bengal Battalion, All India Training Camp 2018 and RTC 2020. Senior Under Officer Srijay Chandra Das. Senior Under Officer Sakshi Jaiswal, 20 Bengal Battalion, Best Cadet Staff Group from Code C Group in ICRTC 2020. Senior Under Officer Sakshi Jaiswal. Senior Under Officer Tiyasha Mondol, 1 Bengal Battalion, part of RTC contingent 2020, the lead singer in the cultural event. Senior Under Officer Tiyasha Mondol. Senior Under Officer Sakshi Chaudhary, 39 Bengal Battalion, is a part of RTC 2020 Flag India and Team Rally. Senior Under Officer Sakshi Chaudhary. Senior Cadet Captain Shubhajit Haldar, 1 Bengal Zawal Unit, All India Nausening Camp 2019, RTC 2020. Senior Cadet Captain Shubhajit Haldar. Senior Cadet Captain Mohammad Parvez Ansari, 1 Bengal Zawal Unit, All India Nausening Camp 2019, RTC 2020. Senior Cadet Captain Mohammad Parvez Ansari. Senior Cadet Captain Shubhajit Mondol, 1 Bengal Nawal Unit, All India Nausening Camp 2019, RTC 2020. Senior Cadet Captain Shubhajit Mondol.
Lance Corporal Kalyan Kumar, 11 Bengal Battalion, a good sportsman. He has taken part in mountaineering events. Lance Corporal Corporal Tanmoy Roy, 61 Bengal Battalion. He is a district level runner and has represented his college in a number of sporting events. Corporal Tanmoy Roy. Junior Under Officer Sumit Kumar, 5 Bengal Battalion. He was a part of SNIC at May during 2019 and has received silver medal there. Junior Under Officer Sumit Kumar. Cadet Riya Shortkar, 7 Bengal Battalion. Dedicated and sincere, she has attended district level parades. Cadet Riya Shortkar. Junior Under Officer Rita Roy, 7 Bengal Girls Battalion. Sincere and dedicated, she has actively promoted Fit India movement. Junior Under Officer Rita Roy. Senior Under Officer Sadhna Rai, 4 Bengal Girls Battalion. She was a part of basic mountaineering course and she scaled up to 14,500 feet. Senior Under Officer Sadhna Rai.
Cadet Under Officer Priyanka Shah, 1 Bengal Air Squadron, participated in All India Vayu Camp 2019 and PM Rally RTC 2020. Cadet Under Officer Priyanka Shah. Senior Under Officer Koruna Rani, 19 Bengal Battalion, participated in RTC 2020. Senior Under Officer Koruna Rani. Senior Under Officer Kuntal Bakshi, 31 Bengal Battalion,